Respected sirs and madams, good evening to everyone. So here is our fifth day session, and this is the final day for our national level faculty development program on AI tools. So still the count is 139. So every day we are joining almost 300, right? So shall we wait for 2 more minutes because everyone is going to be joined now? Can you please tell me your opinion in the chat box, ma'ams and sirs? Yes. Thank you, Arvind sir. Thank you, Suchitra ma'am. Thank you, Rajesh sir. Thank you, Senthil Kumar sir. Thank you. Yes, Jeshwal ma'am. Thank you. Please, so just 2 to 3 minutes, sir. So everyone is going to be joined. Please, thank you. Yes, good evening, ma'am. Sharmila ma'am. Good evening, sir. Yes. Thank you, Dipti ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Deepthi, ma'am. Not yet started, ma'am. So I'm in the mute only. I'm not yet started. Just a minute, ma'am. So because everyone is joining, so we are waiting for them only. So regarding దీని గురించి జాయిన్ అవ్వమని సెషన్.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Yes. So we will start. Respected sirs and ma'ams, good evening to everyone. So here is our fifth day session, a National Faculty Development Program on AI tools. So shall we will start now. As of now, we discussed on the many topics like the first day introduction and some sample tools we discussed, and the second day we discussed about many tools like ChatGPT, Bard, Copilot, Khan Academy, Curipod, and Grammarly, mail tracking systems, like and many things we have discussed. And the third day also we discussed on the many things like DeepL, right? Notion AI, Scribe, Grammarly AI, Perplexity AI, and Q Text, Grammarly, Canva AI, and so on. So and in fourth day also we discussed on the many topics like PPT presentation tools, MS Office related tools, and how we can do that with the VBA code to the slides, and how we can work with the slides team and Magic Slide PPT GPT. Okay, and research oriented things like Research Rabbit, Trinka, Flag checkers for Flag, and etc. So chart PDF also we discussed in yesterday, and Napkin AI also we discussed in yesterday sessions. So these many useful tools we have discussed, and every tool was already we checked personally from our company. Our team was checked personally every tool, like which are the good tools and which are the which logins are not affecting for your email address and etc. We those only we are getting suggestions to you. And now here our fifth day, and we have some pending tools from yesterday onwards. So those are regarding our Microsoft Excel and some tools for Microsoft Word also. And Word is the common one, like in we can do in the many things also. And says on alignment. Sure, sir. Satvik, sir, we can do others. Alignment in the sense you're asking in the Word file, no, sir? Excel, Word. Oh, sure, sir. We'll do that. We'll explain you. And actually, we have the next session, next workshop on this only, essential skills. And soon we are going to be announced to you. So maybe our team is already working on that. Maybe in this 2 to 3 days, you will be get notified on that, sir. So we are going to be starting an workshop on essential skills. And yeah, sure, ma'am. Somebody is asking that. Gopal Krishna, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. We be a code processor. I need to tell again. Sure, sir. Definitely, I'll do that. And before going to the session, do you have any doubts in previous session, sir? Working of ChatGPT technically. Yes, yes, Shivkumar, sir. We can show that. And sir, Shivkumar sir asked again one more thing. Try to explain working of ChatGPT technically, like how Google search engine works. Sure, sir. I'll try to explain, sir. Definitely. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Will share it, Priya, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We definitely will share it. There could be some tools which is not covered here, but some participants is aware of here of why don't we ask participate to listen AI tools. They're aware of other than what is covered till today. Krishna Chaitanya sir, couldn't understood as this group is working on AI tools. There could be some tools which are not covered here, but some participant is aware of or heard of. Why don't we ask participants to list AI tools they are aware of other than what is covered till today? Yes, yes, sir. Exactly. Understood, sir. Sure, sir. We'll do that. Can you explain how to generate data set with AI tools? Yes, Uma ma'am, like that's some complexity work. Yes, we can work on that, but many AI tools are not giving the properly the data sets and everything. But we'll try to work on it also, ma'am. Definitely, I'll try on that. If possible, today we will discuss it. Otherwise, I can share you that the good PDF in that with including procedure and all. And actually, in this 5 days workshop, we are discussing on the small. I mean, like example 5 to 6 only. Actually, we listed many AI tools for these things, so we can share everything we checked properly, and we already designed to share you. Definitely, so we are working on that only. The PDF may help you a lot of definitely. So we'll share you soon. No screen. Yes, ma'am. I didn't shade, ma'am. Vaishnavi, ma'am. I'm not at shade. I'm just checking your chart, ma'am, because everyone asking the doubts, right? So for last 4 days, I'm just checking the doubts, and after that, I'll start the session also. Regarding the participation certificate and everything, we'll discuss in the last end of the session, sir. Please wait until the end. So that everything details I'm going to be provided in the session end of the session. Please wait. There are any tools for Excel? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rachna, ma'am. Today we are going to discuss on that Excel tools only, ma'am. Now we are going to be discuss on that. I'm show you that. I'll show you that. Yes, sir. Ma'am. I'm going to be share that screen. Murli Krishna, sir. Actually, for construction of research tools like rating scale, questionnaires, etc. Sir, not like that, sir. Everything like we already having Copilot and etc. Right? Like Microsoft AI Copilot, Chat GPT, Bard, and etc. Gemini AI. So in these things, by using these tools only, we can do that thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On that only we are working on, sir. Next workshop, Satvik, sir, I'm saying with you. For everyone, I'm just giving that information priorly. So soon, in this within 2 to 3 days, we are going to be announcing a next level of workshop, which is on essential skills like MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or some documentation purposes like visual dashboards, maintenance. So like some computer shortcuts, some methods of working styles. So like that. So we are designing that more efficiently. So how you can work as a like in your college also like you can work as a developer like that much efficiently. We are working on that. So soon we will announce you that workshop and FDP. Shivalila, ma'am. Actually, today I'm going to be show one more PPT presentation tool. So which is we like I shown you the many tools, right? In on all those tools, this is the greatest tool I'm going to show you, like which is the great one. And in that we can have the premium also and free also. Free is for some time, and the premium is also there. And like we can use that, but in the better way. Literally, it was awesome. I'll show you that definitely. Echo problem, ma'am. Echo problem in the sense I'm in a hall, ma'am. Yes, Gopi sir, we'll do that. Senthil Kumar sir, AI tools for image processing concept. Image processing concept or image creation concept, sir, which is asking you. Please share screen not visible. Yes, yes, yes. I'm sharing my screen, please. Actually, I didn't started yet. Tools for convert Word files to formats as required by IEEE, Spinger, etc. Raja Vikram sir, sir Rajaram Venkateshan sir. Yes, sir. We can convert the Word files format as required by IEEE. Yes, we can. We have almost already, like, not AI tools. We have normal tools. We have already, sir. We can do that. I'll show you that also. And yeah, as I told that, like in the next workshop, we are working on that, like how to convert the PDF to Word, how to convert the required like formats and the images, which formats are there in the images, and you can create your own postings and how you can work with your social media and etc. Those all the things we're going to be in the next workshop. And if possible, I'll give a small bit of movements in this also. Yes, we are going to be share with the certificate, sir. Maybe like in end of the session, I will get that information also. GPT making notes in environment or service is not proper any methods to solve it. Gopal Krishna sir, I'll tell you that. AI tools for LR. How to prepare browser design with AI tools, sir. Prepare browser, na sir. Browser design with AI tools. We don't have AI tools for the browser, but we have some like yes, we can use that AI in the tools. So we don't have that direct tool for browser designing, but we can use yes. Anyway, so I'm going to be start the session, sir. So in that you will get clarified everything tool. So every doubts on that. Okay. So yeah, I'm adding into that. So as per your request is, I'm adding the remaining tools also. So Grammarly is a tool, and VB also you're asking for one more time, right? I'll show you that also. Tinka AI tool same purpose. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Amala, ma'am. Grammarly AI tools and Tinka work for same, but Tinka is a little bit more than that. Hope my screen is visible now for everyone. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Review of literature, definitely, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So now we are going to be start our session, and end of the session we have a photo session also in the virtually, sir. And madams, please wait for up to end of the today, because as per your NBA and NAC purposes that you have to publish this and you have to submit this with the screenshots also, right? Like we know that, like we received from the many people request. So sure. In end of the session, we will take a screenshot by turning on the cameras. So now, as of now, the camera turning mode is turned off. Okay. So if you want to wear any blazer or something, if you want to prepare for the last screenshot, so please be ready with that. We'll take some time for that. So in the end of the session, we'll take the like virtual screenshot also. Okay, we'll share with you. Yes, certificate also provided, sir. But end of the session, we can discuss on that. Just a minute, sir. Please wait. I'm Actually, Rajeshwari ma'am, we don't have any exam for this. Ramesh sir, yes. No, sir. Actually, we were not conducting an exam, but just one sample test form we will give you mostly. Basic questions, just like feedback. It is just we will share you that only because you all are gurus for us, so we can't test you. But a small basic one we'll send to you as a feedback in that with the basic questions. Yes, Ibrahim sir, please tell me. Okay, we'll start the session now. The pending tools from yesterday is sheet regarding AIs like Google Sheet and as well as our Microsoft Excel related tools. So in the generally, Arna's iPhone, ma'am, can you please don't do that? I'm doing that now. Please wait. Just a minute, respected sirs and ma'ams. Um so please don't give any annotations on the screen, please. Yeah. So we'll start the session on today's workshop. So now I'm just opening my Excel or Microsoft Excel. So generally we will open like this and we can take the blank worksheet. So yes, we have a lot of conflicts in this whenever we are working with the Excel, as we don't know like many formulas. We can't remember that many formulas because we can remember the bit of formulas like some or if and etc. Okay, but whenever we are getting for the complex data, whenever working with a lot of data, so we can't know much tools like much formulas for solving the problems and segregating the data and etc. Okay, so here we are going to be show that like I am taking the rough data from ChatGPT. So first, as of now, I'm just inserting for the sample purpose. And in this like I'm going to be explain about complete chat gpt usage also, how you can use chat gpt and bard copilot also today. Again, I'm going to be review that because if you can't able to work with the many of AI tools, at least you can able to work with these three tools. That's enough for your like entire purposes. So you can do everything with those things simply. So here I'm taking the rough data. So I'm asking the chat gpt to generate and 20 lines 20 lines of students data and marks for a test in table. So just now it's showing something like you can see this. Yeah, it's generating something one or two and something. So I'm just generating sample purpose. And also I'm generate 6 subject for each students. So I'm just taking this for sample usage on the Excel. Yeah, this was generated. Now I'm copying this one. So just now you asked me, sir, like how we can do that. Like we can copy this one whenever we have issue with that. So like this we can paste. After pasting here, that you can copy this one to anywhere. So then it will comes properly. So whenever you have the alignment issue, simply you can paste here first in the Excel. And many people are doing one mistake. So example, I need to paste from the here. Okay. So first you can just tap like this. That's enough. One single tap is enough. No need to do the double tap. Whenever we are doing the double tap here, so you can able to see this. So this will be like enter into that cell, particular cell only. So you should not do like that. Just select that cell from where you have to upload that, and then you can paste that. That's it. That's enough. Okay. So now it was came properly, right? So if you want to align it for some for a single side or something, like you can just use this, and you can work with these things. Simply you can do this. Okay. And now I'm removing here this average marks and grade. Okay. And yeah, now it's fine. So as of now that we know some Excel tools, like what we can do with this. So we can total, we can do the average. Okay. So here I'm adding that total marks, and here we need average. So as of now I don't know any formula to do the total marks. Example, I don't know that. So what I can do here, simply we have many tools in the Excel. Okay. So now what we have to do, so simply we can have in the Excel, so you can see this file, home, okay, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, reviews, view, help. Okay. So here we have all otherwise a home option, and here you will have also called add-ins. Okay. This add-ins is, so you can see this with that what I am showing here. Okay, this add-ins, just tap on the add-ins and search for, actually I was already installed, so it is showing already. Just you can see that many popular AI add-ins that is showing here. So if you want to work with mini calendar and date picker type, so you can add this one. If you want to use autopilot, like free chat GPT in Microsoft, so you can use this also. And chat GPT for Microsoft, you can have, like many things are named as the chat GPT for Microsoft Excel, but don't use all the things, because many tools are to just doing that data collection. So here I'm showing that exact things, just you can also utilize that verified things. Microsoft Power Automations. You can see this Power Automation for Microsoft, and Numerous AI. Numerous AI also good. We need to install that also. And Adobe Acrobat to Microsoft. So whenever you have any PDF channel that should open here only, like you can use this also. Okay, like this. So many QR for Office. So if you want to generate any QR for this particular Microsoft, in this particular Microsoft, that you can use this. And Excel to Word. So if you have this Excel now, so now you want to save this into the Word. Yes, you can use the one of the add-ins called Excel to Word document, Script Lab, something. So many are things are there here. Spreadsheet AI, Spreadsheet Sync, Formula Bot, SAP, free data, something. And if you want to more add-ons, just you can click here in the add-ons, and it will redirect to the store, and you can search here. So here you can able to see this CRM, data analytics, document review, edited pickers, education purpose, financial management, maps and feeds. Okay, Microsoft 365 certified, many of these. Okay, so here I'm going to be show you some good tools for your regular usage. Okay, first I'm clicking on the add-ins and searching for the GPT for Excel. GPT for Excel. Okay, here you can see that GPT for Excel, this one. Okay, so this is also one of the good AI tool which is working for the GPT and Excel. Okay, so we can use this one and just tap on that after. Sorry, it's already installed now. So now it is directly opening here. Otherwise, simply you can GPT for Excel. So if you have like this, just you have to click on the example. I'm adding this. Just tap here. It will add automatically. Okay, click on add-ons. Power GPT. I'm adding that. Just click like that. So those will be added automatically into your dashboard. And just try give a login into that. You can use your Microsoft or Google. Anything is fine. But if you given with the Microsoft, it will be integrate automatically. If you have any official accounts and all, so you can just give with that. So as of now, I'm just keeping that because I'm not using the AI tool. So, and here I'm showing that GPT for Excel now. So after going on that, so if you want to view otherwise, so you can use like this. If you see seen here, otherwise if you're not seeing here, just click on the add-ins and click on show all. So whatever that you have already installed, so those will be visible here only, and you can just click on the GPT for Excel. So this will be open like this. Here you can able to see this. Okay, here you can able to see this: generate, rewrite, translate, classify, extract, reformat, search the web, summarize, prompt image vision, and many things are in this free and many things are paid also. So what we can do, GPT functions. First, you can see if you don't know that, and if you want to see that GPT function, what it can do, the exactly things. So you can just click on the GPT functions, list of GPT functions. So GPT list, GPT table, GPT translate, GPT editor. So these all are called functions. It means I'll explain you that what is GPT functions. Okay, I'll explain you that, and bulk tools. So now, so do you want to generate something in this GPT tool? So click on the generate first, and here using cells in columns, choose the column. So here it is automatically showing that the tools which we have already here. Just a minute, please wait. Respected sirs and ma'ams, please wait. So sorry, ma'am. I get a call from our team. So regarding our today's session only. Thank you. Thanks for waiting, everyone. So here you can see this. This is automatically taking all the data, that all the headers what we have here. Okay, and you can, if you want to work with any particular column to column, you can use this. Okay, so now I'm selecting zero column selected. Like, yeah, so this was selected many things, and I'm removing these things here. So yes, so all columns I was selected. Okay, now so what you have to do with that? So now it is done, and generate for each row. choose what to generate. So now if you want to generate any title for those any description for that, and else do you want to generate any header for that? If you don't have any header, like example, I'm not have any header over here. Okay, I'm just deleting this one first, really, and now I'm deleting this one also. We'll try with that. First, I'm deleting this. I don't have any header here. Okay, so now I'm coming to the generate and I'm selecting to all this. So now everything was selected. KLM also. Sorry, I'll connect this. Okay. Now, so these are the just name and something it was generated. And now here, so generate title, description, header, paragraph, bullet points, email subject line, email body, custom, whatever these many topics they given here. So now I'm sure using that title. Okay, title. And language is empty. So if you want to give the language, just give the language in English. ENGLISH. So these are not important here. If you are generating any particular paragraph for these things, or if you are generating any description for that, like in that case, that will be useful. So in this case, this is not a mandatory. You can leave this and put result in the column. So where we have to put this one? Okay, variance per row. Choose a column. So where we have to generate this one? Choose a column. So we'll see. We'll generate it first. We'll try it first. Row 3 rows. All rows, run all rows. So we have to enter this one, sorry. So then what can I do is, so we already in the column 1, so it is showing that not column should be generated as a row. Okay, I'm just giving the row here and run all rows. Some of your A columns are empty, so some are empty. So yes, these all are empty, right? So now I'm removing those here, and now fixed auto run all. Don't close GPT for Excel. It's using it you are close to successful executions close. See what it was generated here. Now you can see here it was given titles for each row. Comprehensive analysis of Anil Sharma and Rahul Sharma's performance mathematics. Performance comparison Anil Sharma's versus Priya Patel. Comparison analysis. So it is giving title for the total. It means total Excel title. It's giving that. So now I'm giving that header. Okay, I'm giving that header. So same put in the columns. I'm just giving the column. Okay. Okay. And get two variant rows. If you want two variant rows, you can use that. And so I'm now same using that and run all rows. Okay, here we need to select again, right? So P, now I'm selecting the Q and run all. 19 executed. So we can see what we have. Comparison report. Again, it is generating some like headers for the same. So title in the sense it is giving it in the title mode, and if you are giving that as a header mode, performance comparison report, Anil Sharma versus Rahul Verma, student performance report. Like it's giving like same almost, but the version is same, different in that same in that both. I'm making as a title again here. We'll see what it can be generated over here. Okay, so after these three things, it is asking again by a pack to continue. So every day we can use this with three only, but it will give a very efficient one. Okay, after this, like tomorrow again we can do that same. After 24 hours, again we can do that for same. And what we can do also with this, yes, simply you can see this. Now here I'm closing this one first. So here just give like this equal to GPT, and you can give the classify. Click on the classify, click on the edit formula, and click H list, match, split, web, vision, table, GPT table. So it will ask you that prompt. So just click on the prompt. Okay, now as of now this is in the free mode, right? So it's not showing that. Maybe tomorrow it can show it again. Sorry for that. So first I'm just removing that prompt. So what is the prompt I have to enter? GPT summarize, just give that. Summarize the students, or else I'm not using table. Summarize, I'm using the first summarize. Summarize students marks. Sorry. And comma format. So text that we given here. And like if you want to any summarize that, like if you have the text here, that will be used like this. And if you want to particular only student data, so here already we have the student data, right? So now, sorry, it's just a minute. Sorry, ma'am. I was missed it. Just a minute. Yes. So now, like if you want to use like that, like now I need here the student data to summarize that, and I don't know formula also. Okay. So if I want to do that again, I'm coming back with this, please. Please just a minute. Okay. So let's try with that. So here, total. Okay. Now one more add-ons called formula part. So use that in case of that, just use this formula part. And first sign up in this. Click on the try for free. So this is also so everything is paid, ma'am, generally. So answers. So but we have to use for limited edition in this because no one is able to give the for free of cost, right? So yeah, sign up for free. I'm giving that, and then show me and ITR Prino is importing. Password is and choose some password for that same. Accept terms. So I need to verify that account also. So if you are doing also, if you are also trying to use that, use the same. So to do the same. You can see this, what's in this actually. So convert to text into formulas or have it explained also as an expert in VBN Google Apps scripts. So like this we can have here, we can white paper or something. So now just check, come here and see this one. So again, give here the same credentials, what we have discussed in there, what we have given in there. Okay. So log in with that same. So you already verified right there. So it will be automatically saved. It will take some time to load. And before that, we can see here what we can do here. So you can use this for the Google Sheets also. Connect to Google Sheets. Just click on the connect to Google Sheets. Copy email. Share view access of your Google Sheets with sheets of something. Yes. So if you want to work with your Google Excel or Google Sheets, Google Analytics, AI prompts, so everything this can be worked with here. And if you want to work with that any Google Sheets, just use a Google Sheet first. C.new. And here also you can use that same. First I'm giving the test. And you can share with this email ID. Okay. Then this will be automatically get access to run the sheet, work with the sheet. And then here you can do that. Yes, this got it. So now you are able to see here like extensions, document studio and change cases, etc. Like you can work with this also now. Let us wait. Yeah, it's got it. So now again come back to here. So here it was logged already. So now generate formula based on text instructions. Explain formula, input a formula to have it explained for you. Okay, like this, analyze sentiment, and here you can see is 15 enrichment remaining. So analyze sentiment, determine the sentiment of text like of its previous of negative, retrieve information, popular information about anything, and classify information into multiple categories, extract, pull out specific information from your text. It's chat GPT inside your spreadsheet. Okay, like this. So paste as statistic values. So now I'm just clicking on that generate a formula based on text instruction. So now I'm giving here. Um, so what I need to do that, like exactly how you will be chat in the chat GPT. Say in the same way here you can do that. So I'm writing here make total of all marks marked, make total of all marks and also average for all subjects. Okay, like this you can do that. Just wait, I'm giving the submission. You can able to see this. So what it is giving in this below as a result of formula. Just a minute, please wait. So here we can see, sorry for that, like we have small call, make total of all marks and average of all subjects. So here you can see this, it is automatically generating this result. Okay, insert into cell. If you click on insert into cell, automatically it will be insert into a cell. Okay, wherever you placed that, there you can insert this cell. Okay, and here you can see this A to A. Here what we have in the A to A, this is right. So A to A in the sense this complete row. So not like that. So if you want to give a particular from there to there, just you can see this. This is one the E2, E and 2. Just from here I'm giving that range from E2, E2 east, E2 east. Okay, and E2. This is the E2, and this is called J21. Okay, J21. Now we'll try it. What it can use. So sum E2 is J21. So everything will be sum in the like in the averagely. So I don't want like that. Okay, I want just for a particular student. Okay, just place here first at the total. Just place here and E2 to J2. I'm giving here the J2, and here you can see this J2. Now insert into the cell. The total marks was done, and after that just click here and double tap on just. That's enough. Otherwise, you can just simply drag and drop. So for every person, the marks will be automated. And now right here, I'm reviewing that make total marks for all. And now I'm giving that just. So here I'm giving that calculate average of marks from where to where? E2 to J2. E2 is J2. Okay. So this colon is will useful for from here to here. It will be gives the range. So now it will give another formula. So here you can see this. So this is the basic formulas only. But if you have any big thought on that, that also you can include here. Simply you can see this. His average is 86, and you just double tap here, and you will get for all the persons. So this is their input, and just click here. And if you don't want this many of zeros, so just here you can see this. These options, increase decimals and decrease decimals. Just click here that. So this is the formula based, right? So it's constant. Fine. Now like this we can use anything here, like, and now I don't want to like I just want another formula for to calculate or something. Okay, that's also I can give here. So what we can do, can anyone suggest me that what we have to do here? Pass or fail. Okay. So yeah, I'll try with that also, ma'am. Yes, it's good question. Top or mean condition. So yeah, rank. So it means we can mention the rank, right? Yes. So now I'm mentioning. So we will try. We'll try with a good prompt. We'll try that also. Okay. Highest score for each student in each subject. So just okay. Mention. First, I'll do that. Highest score. Highest score. Subject. From G2, sorry, H2 is J2 and head. Yes, that's enough. We'll try, ma'am. We'll try, sir. We'll try with it. Maybe it will generate or not. Yeah, it was generated, but we'll see what it can given, what it was given. Okay, we'll see that. Computer. We'll see that. So here this is mentioned computer. We check manually. Yeah, 85, 78, 90, 88, 92, 87. Yeah, 92 is the highest score. Yeah, great. It's generated, right? So we don't know this much of formulas like math, max, maximum, something it was given. And now here we can go with one more one, apply logic or something. Yes, pass or fail. Yes. If 35 is pass marks, now just mention who are passed. But we are giving pass or fail 35, not 35. Look, so say I'll do one thing. If total is if total is 300, okay, I'm mentioning that 300. Okay, yeah, 300. If total is 300 is pass, 350 is pass marks. Now just mention who are passed. Okay, and giving this into this we have reached the monthly plan of 5 items. Sorry, ma'am. So it is giving only 5. So as of now, I have crossed and I can do that tomorrow only. Sorry for that. Grading count highest marks in subject. Yes, I think you can observe this. So here it's already given which subject that is. You can use this like this. Okay, so those marks it can appear there. So which subject is there and etc. Sir, in college we have internal assessments in which we need to find marks best out of 2 test sentiment. So sometime 3. So show me the formula that gives best mark. Yes, ma'am. As of now, like I mean, we are getting late in the time, and also that. I mean, those are the premium modes, right? Already. So these are giving only 3 to 4 per every day prompts. Okay, in this, and we can do one thing also. So if you are not able to know that things, so now whatever the thing that you want to ask that, you can directly go to the chat GPT, and here also we can work with the AI. Okay, same this extension only they are using there. So now yes, I will use the same prompt over here. So first, so if I have the small data here, so first anything, just now I'm giving, if you have a lot of data, like if you have thousands of data into your Excel, but just take a sample data or 4 to 5 cells. Okay, I'm using the sample data and pasting here first and asking them to make in table. Okay, so I'm using that make in table. You can see this screenshot was done already. If you copy that, and this data was coming, and I'm asking that make in table. Okay, so it will give in the table for sample purpose. What we have here for sample purpose, I'm just saying this. It's aligning into the table. Okay, now I'm asking to the formulas. Okay, same formulas we can use there. And like, yeah, now what you have asked me, pass or fail. Okay, if 35 is pass marks, how 35 is pass marks? If not, they are fail. That should calculate and mention in next to grade cell. Grade column. Okay. So generate a formula. So I'm asking that clear input, like if 35 is the pass marks, if not, they are failed. That should calculate and mention in next to grade column. This is the grade column, right? So generate a formula. I'm just asking like that. We'll see what it can give to us. You can see this. This was given the Excel formula. If or F2 less than 35, G2 less than 35, H2 less than 35, A2 less than 35, 35 fail or pass. This is the formula. Okay. But here what we have to do is first copy that formula and change this range. We didn't start it from the F, right? We started from the from where we have to started this one. A, B, C, D, F. Yeah, F only, from F only. Okay. This is from F2, right? Just first paste this formula. So I'm just deleting now. Not now. Yeah. Like I'm just making like this and pasting here. Okay. You can able to see this from F to 35, G to 35. I mean, if it is 35, that can be pass or else fail. If you want to change for any particular subject, that you can change for this particular subject. Okay. So pass. So I'm just changing that. So I'm just tapping here. I'm doing it for the same all. Okay. So if I need to change, if I will change this one to 25, let us see what it can give. You can see this. This is becoming fail. Okay. This is becoming fail like that. So like that, we can use AI into your Excel also. Or thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, any AI tool for course outcome and program outcome attainment? Sir, attainment means what I can understand, sir. You couldn't understand, sir. Can you tell me again, like clearly? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sandeep, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sandeep, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. So fine. Like as we have the 810, we have a lot of tools. Now I'm moving forward. So like this, we can use some extensions which is having the limited version in this sheets and all. And if you don't know, if you don't want to use that, and if you have any difficulty with these tools, just go to use your regular chat GPT or something and just mention this, like mention a basic input for this first and use this like this, and later then you can ask them to make in a table. Okay. And after making the table, just check the table whether it is good or not, and then mention your prompt completely, like what you need exactly and what it should do, that like generate a formula or modify a formula and modify the data, whatever the thing that you can use that. Okay. And next, so if the formula was generated, just check with that and paste this particular cell and you can check it. Okay. Like this, we can use AI into your Excel. Not only the chat GPT, you can use Microsoft AI or else Copilot, Bard, Gemini AI, Black Box AI, whatever that thing. So the free tools, whatever you have, those you can use over here. Okay. And so please share the recording of the session. Definitely, ma'am. I'm already recording, right? Like I will share these things. Yes. Now let's move for the another one. The few more we have still. We have few more. I hope you listened about Black Box AI and Bolt.ai also, right? And also for the Gamma AI. Did you heard about in the first day, ma'am? Research. Can you please tell me that in the chat box? Did you heard about Gamma AI for preparing the PPT presentations? Can you please give me your yeah, okay. Many people are don't know. Very people are yes. Yes, yes, yes. No, sir. Okay, okay. No. Yes. Okay, many half of the people was listen, half of the people was not listen. But it is the same as Gamma AI and Bolt AI on the first day. Yeah, Bolt AI you did on the first day. But now I'm revealing one more tool called Gamma AI. Okay, Gamma AI. So Gamma AI is a tool to generate your PPT presentation very beautifully. And one more AI tool I will introduce, that last one. There is very great tool that we have. So first check with that Gamma AI. So this is first you need to sign up in this, try for free. You can just click on the try for free, and if you have sign up in this, it will give for the free of cost for initial stage. I'm continuing with my Google account. For solar systems, sir. Sure, sir. I will try that weakness, sir. So now you can see this, the Gamma AI. Actually, previously we generated something. So now you can just simply open this site and it will give the 320 credits per day. So just click here. Okay. And here you need to use that paste in text, generate, import from URL. So if you want to give any URL that you can use this, otherwise you can generate from the create from your one line prompt in a few seconds. Create from notes and outline of existing content. So if you have any existing content for this slide to this slide like this slide to this slide like this, so you can use that. Otherwise, if you don't know anything, if you don't have any prompt and it should generate completely, just click here. Okay, now I'm giving the description here. From here to you can do many things, like you can create the web page also, you can create the document also, you can do the social media site also. Okay, but I'm giving presentation here first. So just click here and describe the thing what you want. For solar systems you said, right, sir? About solar systems. So about solar systems, I'm just giving the 3 words: generate, outline. So now it is giving the outlines for your 8 slides. Here I'm selected 8 cards only. And up to 10 you can select. If you have the premium versions, then you can go for up to 50 slides also. So I'm selecting the 10 slides now. Okay. So now I'm clicking on again regenerate. So now it will create, now it will add to 10 slides. Okay. The 10 slides what I added. If you want to remove any particular, if you want to edit any something, you can edit this. Otherwise, simply you can leave this. Okay, and next you can select that theme, which theme that you want to generate. So I'm using that black. Yeah, this one I'm selecting that night sky for solar system, right? So I'm selecting this night sky. And amount of text per card: brief, medium, detailed. So how you want brief text, you want medium text or detailed text? So I'm using the detailed text. And AI images, or else do you have any stock photos, web images, whatever that you can choose here. I'm just giving that here. AI images as a, so I can give that thing. And image styles. So if you want any particular style for your images in that, if that you want to give, you can use that. Okay, if everything is okay. Okay, so flux fast, so that you can select that, like it is generating from the flux fast model. So that's enough for this. And just click on the generate. You can see this how it is writing simply. can able to see this, how beautiful it is generating. Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. It's really the great tool like you can use for your education purpose. Even if we do also, like we can't do this much, and it is automatically generating the content also and titles also and everything, images, so everything that it can be generated. Yes, yes, exactly. So now for the 10 tools, I mean 10 slides was generated. I'll make a sample presentation here, just present. Okay, you can see this, how it is giving the slideshows also. Like this, you can generate for any topics in this, any topics. You can see this, that how beautiful it is giving that, like this, right? So hope you understood that, what how we can do that. So exit, yeah, sorry, exit, that's enough. So like this, we can use this tool and very beautifully, and we can generate many tools. And if you've taken the premium versions, you can generate up to up to 50 slides also for your concepts. And also, if you have any lessons for your class, if you want to teach your students digitally every day, just it's a 2 minutes of task for you. Like just open this one and generate for give a concept what you want to explain for your students, and simply you can. And one more thing, that you can edit here also. If you want to edit everything, that you can give, you can edit. Okay, like this, you can change the photo, you can change anything. Okay, like this we can use. And one more, the final finishing touch that I'm going to be give here, and soon, sorry for the things, like we are already getting delay, so I can't explain much tools, but definitely I'm promising you all, like we will share then good PDF document with including all tools and its uses. Okay, in that with including the links also, I'm trying to share you. So simply you can use the document now for your future references. And I'm going to show you the final one and the very beautiful one at the last. Okay, presentations AI. So did you heard about this presentations AI? Please give your message in the chat box. Can did you I mean did you heard about this? Anyone, sirs and madams, please tell me. No, 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 no. Okay, 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 sure, sir. Definitely, sir. Now we will discuss on this. Yes, thank you, thank you. So right, let us see this. So presentations AI, GPT for presentations. It is a chat GPT for presentations, like GPT for AI, presentations AI, everything is this. So simply try for free first now. First you can try for free. It's free of cost, and it will be efficient more than the all the tools, I think so. Okay, I'm also personally very impressed by this tool. Really, it's good. It's very good enough. And search for, and you just sign up with your mail ID. Okay, so see, now I'm going to be start with an PPT. So start from an idea, import your content, enhance your slides. If you have already PPT, you can upload here. If you have any particular PDF font or something, like you can upload here. And if you don't have anything, but still you want to prepare the PPT, like start from here. Okay. So same thing, same concept, which I used there, that I'm using here also. Okay. Solar systems. Sorry, solar systems. Okay, just solar system website URL. It will show the website URL also, and upload background content. If you want any background content, that you can upload as a PPT here, a document here. Otherwise, you can just submit. So 10 slides I was selected. Just understanding solar system structure information. So it is the first slide. What it is giving the information also, that is generating. If you want to see the information what it is giving, that you can just tap here after completing this. So yes. So now if you want to see that what it is generating, you can see this. And if you don't want to edit, and if you want to edit this, and you can edit here. And after doing this outline, so you can just have, so I'm giving the 10 slides, right? It is giving the 10 slides. And now here that is giving this. And now I'm selecting this, which we can select. Okay, I'm selecting the blue only. Let us see, like otherwise I can select these many colors we have here. You can see this lot of colors, we have bunch of colors. I'm selecting this. Okay, relay I'm selecting. So here you can select the fonts also. Okay, you can select the fonts also. I'm selecting these fonts. And now if you have any advanced settings, that you can just click here and you can enhance, fill in the object, addition, data, outputs. Okay, whatever the thing that you can give the additionally. And medium, larger, smaller, that's the kind of description per slide. Medium is enough. I mean, so create representations. So transforming any slide instantly, it's transforming. Just wait for the magical presentation. And this can generate in complete business model. First, I need to tell that like it will generate completely business model. Like if you want to explain from your company, it will explain you. Like if you want it for a completely education purpose, these are using. So we asked 10 slides only, but it is generated 12 slides. Okay. Now let's start with the play presentation. Let us see that presentation, how beautiful it is. First, your company or college logo will become like that. And next, this slide. And if you place, you can see this components of system, solar systems, importance of studying solar, and the points. The birth of solar systems explained. You can see this, that graphical representation in the between, what it is coming there. So understanding planetary format, searching the X, like how beautiful it is giving. Please check it. See solar systems and our own exploring explanations and their systems. Everything that how beautifully that is generating, and it is giving feature of solar systems exploratory. So what solar systems can exploratory, that you can see this, how that is given in the feature mode also. Advancements of enhancing solar system study, like complete case study, like complete the future, like enhanced model of PPT and context that is giving there. So solar systems, that's enough. So if you want more, that you can use that and export as PPT. Maybe it will ask you to so like something. Otherwise, you can like you can download as the PDF, but it will ask you the premium. Exactly, it is asking the premium. Otherwise, you can just simply open this anytime and you can just save this. Okay, you can play this. You can play this every time and anywhere. Like this. So now the final moment of hope you enjoyed a lot. I mean, you got good information. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for everything. So we'll wind up the session for today and we will share everything with you. Yes, now it's the time for the final moments, that taking the group photo with everyone. Like I will take the screenshot. Please stay everyone. And if you want to change your any appearance of your dressing style and all, just take a moment. And so let's I'm closing this session. Thanks a lot for your reviews. And respected sirs and ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks for your appreciations. And I'm requesting you, everyone. Yes, you are giving like your appreciations here. If possible, try to give me in the Google review if you are giving the Google review for our company, it will be very valuable for us, and we are sure for the future generations. Okay, like we will help in the many ways for the students and colleges in the future. So now, just a minute, please take a moment. So up to that you have any doubts regarding the certificates and all, please give me in the chat box that I can answer you now.